Hello guys, this is Akash. Welcome back to this YouTube channel Answer with Lecture. In this video, I am going to discuss another chapter, that is straight lines and pair of straight lines in the geometry section in the top 10 questions series for JEE Advanced 2023. If you are new to this channel, it is very important to subscribe to this channel because the video notifications, if you want to receive the video notifications, you have to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon. And if you didn't join the Telegram group, join the Telegram group, because the Telegram group, if you want to access the practice sheets as well as the lecture notes, as well as the videos which I am releasing, it is very important. You have to join the Telegram group and also subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon. Now let's get into this video and discuss the first question. If 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is a tangent to the hyperbola. Why it is hyperbola? It is coming in the straight lines because here it is tangent. It is a line, so it is an application of straight line, and also it cannot be the sides of the triangle they given. I will explain the question, but I am saying why hyperbola came into the straight lines and pair of straight lines question. In this chapter, why it came? Because tangent is a straight line concept, triangle is a straight line concept. So that is the reason it came. What they given? They given x square divided by a square minus y square divided by 16 equal to 1. This is the what it is. This x square by a square minus y square by 16 equal to 1 is the hyperbola. For this hyperbola, if 2x plus 1 equal to 0 is a tangent. When 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is a tangent. When c square equal to a square m square minus b square, if it is satisfied this condition, it will definitely a tangent to the given hyperbola. So here c is 1 equal to what is a square? A square is just a square only. What is m here? M is 2, that is m square is 4, and here b square is they given 16. So 4a square equal to 17, a square equal to 17 by 4, and a equal to plus or minus root 17 by 2. This is the value of a. You can take the a is the sides they given, so you can neglect the negative. Now the first option I am checking, a comma option a comma 4 comma 2, whether it gives a triangle or not. When it gives a triangle, when sum of two sides is greater than third side. This is the main triangle condition. It is very important. This is the main condition for the triangle to be triangle. What is a they given? Root 17 by 2, 4, 2. What is root 17? It is approximately equal to 4.2. You can take 4.2 divided by 2, and here it is 2.1. 2.142. 2.142. So here what we can say? 2.142. Here when we do the sum 2.14, it will be 6.1 and it is greater than 2. When we do 4 plus 2, it is greater than 2.1. And when you do 2.1 plus 2, it is greater than 4. Yes, it is the sides of the triangle. There is a possibility of becoming a sides of the triangle. Now the second option, 2a comma 8 comma 1, 2 into root 17 by 2. It will be 2 will get cancelled. Root 17 it is 4.1 approx, and they given 8 comma 1. When we add these two things, it is greater, but when we add these two things, it is not greater. So there is no possibility. Now the third option is 2a comma 4 comma 1. What is 2a? It will be root 17 comma 4 comma 1, and here it is also 4.1 comma 4 comma 1. When we add these two things, it is greater. When we add these two things, it is greater, but when we add these two things, it is also greater. So it obeys the three sides, 2a comma 4 comma 1. 2 into a, it is root 17 comma 4 comma 1. Root 17 is 4.2 approx. This it is 8.2, it is greater than 1, and it is 5, it is greater than 4.2, and these two things we done. 5.2 greater than this thing. So 2a comma 4 comma 1, if you leave the this thing, now if we check a comma 4 comma 1, it will be root 17 by 2 comma 4 comma 1. What is root 17? It will be 4.2 approx. It will be 2.1 comma 4 comma 1. When we add these two things, it will be cannot be that thing. So here basically what they are asking, here they are asking which cannot be the sides of the triangle. It is possibility, there is no possibility, here there is no possibility. So like this we have to do. So here it is a possibility is there. Here it is not a possibility, here it is not a possibility, here it is a not a possibility. So option A, B, D are correct. Yes, option A, B, D are correct. It will be approx 2.1. Here it is they given 2.1. Here it is 4. Here it is 2. When you add these two things, it is greater. When you add these two things, it is greater. When you add these two things, it is greater. Yes. So option A, option B, option D. But it is very slight numbers. That is the reason why we ignored this. Option C is it is correct. Option B, option D are wrong. But what are the correct options according to the question? According to the question, it is option A, option C, option D. These three options are correct. No. Option B is correct. Option D is correct. Because C is correct now. C is the correct side. It can form the triangle. So the first question is completed. The first question is completed. Now second question. Tangents are drawn. Tangents are drawn from the point 3, 4. It is P point. I can write here neatly. P 3, 4 to the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1, touching the ellipse at points A and B. Now what they are asking? They are asking the orthocenter of triangle PAB is option A 5, 8 by 7, option B 7 by 5, 25 by 8, option C 11 by 5, 8 by 5, option D 8 by 25, 7 by 5. So basically this is the question. What are they given? Tangents are drawn from the point 3, 4 to the ellipse. This is the ellipse, and this point is 3, 0, and this point is minus 3, 0, and this point is 0, 2, and this point is 0, minus 2. Why I am doing directly? Because it is A equal to 3 and B equal to 2. So I can write like this. And now from 3.4 point is here, and it is P point. From this point, two tangents are drawn. One tangent is like this, one tangent is like this. This question I already discussed in the ellipse section. You can go and check. So I can directly write in the points. The point of contact is 3, 4 here, and the point of contact is 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5. Yes, minus it will be minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5. Yes, these are the point of contacts. Now what they are saying, orthocenter of PAB. This is P, this is A, this is B. If you take, you can easily form the triangle like this. Here it is 3, 4. Here it is minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5, and here it is 3, 0. And you can find the orthocenter. What is orthocenter? It is a perpendicular point of intersection of altitudes. What is altitude? It is a perpendicular. What is the slope here? The slope is 9 by 5, 9 by 5, 3 plus 8 by 5. It will be 15 plus 8. It will be 23 divided by 5 into 5 by 23. It will be 9 by 23. And it is passing through 3, 4. Y minus 4 equal to 9 by 23 into x minus. And it is 9 by 3. This is slope of this line. And what is the slope of the perpendicular? It will be minus 23 by 9. So minus 23 by 9 into x minus 3. So it will be 9y minus 36 equal to minus 23x plus 69. It will be like this. Now 23x plus 9y equal to 69 plus 36. It is 69 plus 36. It will be 15, 9, 10. It will be 105. So this is one thing. And another thing, from 3, 0, if you take from 3, 0 and this thing, what is the slope? 4. No, you can take like this. This thing I already done. This thing you can take. It will be 4 minus 9 by 5 divided by 3 plus 8 by 5. 4 plus 9 by 5 divided by 3 plus 8 by 5, it will be 20, 29 by 5, and here it will be 23, 23 by 5, it will be 5 by 23, 29 by 23, this is a slope, but we can take minus 23 by 29, and the passing points are, from where we taken, from this, the passing point is 3, 0, so y equal to x minus 3 like this. So 29y equal to minus 23x plus 69 yes. So finally 23x plus 29y equal to 69, and the before equation is 23x plus 9y equal to 105. I can subtract these things, and here it will be 20y, and 20y equal to 105 minus 69, it will be 15, 31, 36 here, y equal to 36 divided by 20, it will be 4 9s, 4 4s, 4 5s, it will be 9 by 5. So y equal to 9 by 5 here. So y equal to 9 by 5, and is this correct? 4 5s 20, 4 9s 36. One second guys. The procedure is same. After solving this thing, you will get the coordinates. I think here 70 it will be 31. 31 plus 5 it will be 36. Yes, it is correct. Divided by 20. Divided by 20. Yes, this is correct only. But if you see, I think in the previous question, when I explained in the ellipse section, I think here the points are changed here. That means here the point, not minus 8 by 5, 9 by 5, it will be minus 9 by 5, 8 by 5, I think, minus 8 by 5. So I can change the points 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5. Because I didn't solve now, that is the reason I don't know what are the points. I just reversed the points. Now we can see here, it will be 8 by 5 divided by 3 plus 9 by 5. What it will be? 15. 15, 24. 24 divided by 5. It will be 5 by 24. 1 by 3. So it will be minus 3 slope. Minus 3 slope, and it is passing through like this. So y minus 4 equal to minus 3x plus 9. So 3x plus y minus 13 equal to 0. This is one point. This is one thing. And another thing, hit like this. 4 plus 8 by 5 divided by 3 plus 9 by 5. You will get 20, 28 by 5. Here you will get 15, 24 by 5. So 28 by 24. It will be 4 7s, 4 6. So it will be 7 by 6. So it is a reciprocal, minus 6 by 7. So y equal to minus 6 by 7 into x minus 3. So it will be 7y equal to minus 6x plus 18. So it will be 6x plus 7y minus 18 equal to 0. So we can solve these two things, 3x plus y minus 13 equal to 0, and here 6x plus 7y minus 18 equal to 0. So we can subtract these two things by multiplying 6 here. That is 2 times 2. Here it will be 26, and you can subtract here, and you will get here minus 5y, and here you will get, and here you will get what is 26 minus 18? It will be 8. It will be 8, and also minus, and after going right side it will be plus. So it will be minus 8 by 5. So y value equal to 8 by 5. Here minus will get cancelled. Y value equal to 8 by 5. So option C is correct. You can find the x value 11 by 5. When y equal to 8 by 5, when you keep y equal to 8 by 5 here, it will be 8 minus 65. 8 minus 65 is 57. 57 divided by like this you can solve. and the final answer is 11 by 5, comma 8 by 5. This is not correct. This is correct. 11 by 5, comma 8 by 5. And the second question is completed. This is the process. The main key concept here is the orthocenter is the point of intersection of the altitudes. And what is altitude? It is starting from the vertex and it is perpendicular to the opposite side. Now, third question, let 0, 0, P 3, 4, Q 6, 0 be the vertices of the triangle OPQ. The point R inside the triangle OPQ is such that the triangles OPR and PQR and OQR are of equal area. The coordinates of R are, they given the options A, B, C and D. A is 4 by 3, 3, B is 3, 2 by 3 and C is 3, 4 by 3 and D is 4 by 3, 2 by 3. Now we have to solve this. This is very simple question. They given let 0, 0, 3, 4 and 6, 0 or 3 points O, P, Q, these 3 points, and they are saying these are the points of the vertices of the triangle OPQ. Now the point R is inside of the triangle OPQ. Suppose R is like this. What the condition? If R is situated inside the triangle and it is giving the equal areas ORP, PRQ and ORQ, these 3 are equal. So by the straight lines property, what we know, when a point is situated inside the triangle and it gives the 3 equal areas, this point is known as centroid. You already know this, centroid, and we have to find the centroid of these 3 points. What is the centroid? 0 plus 3 plus 6 divided by 3, comma 0 plus 4 plus 0 divided by 3. So it will be 9 divided by 3, comma 4 by 3. It will be 3, comma 4 by 3. So the option is C. Like this, you have to solve. 3 questions completed. Now 4th question. Area of the triangle. The area concept is really important in the straight lines and pair of straight lines. Area of the triangle formed by the line x plus y equal to 3 and angle bisectors of the pair of straight lines x square minus y square plus 2y equal to 1 is option A, option B, option C, option D, 2, 4, 6, 8. This question is also mixed concept of straight lines and pair of straight lines, because it is pair of straight lines concept here and this is a straight line here. So there is a mixture of concepts, really important. What they given? They are asking area of a triangle formed by the line. What is x plus y equal to 3 line? When x is 0, y is 3. When y is 0, x is 3. So this is a line. And they given the pair of straight lines x square minus y square plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. And if you observe carefully, this thing is x square equal to y minus 1 whole square. This is x equal to plus or minus y minus 1. These things, x equal to plus or minus y minus 1, these are the things. And if you draw these things, when y equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. When y equal to 1, it is 0. When y equal to 1, the x is 0. And when y equal to 0, the x is minus 1. So here it will be. So like this. And another thing, plus or minus, it is there. It is like this. So what are the angular bisectors for this equation? For this equation, it is angular bisector that equal to y equal to 1. And another angular bisector, it is x equal to 0. Yes. So y equal to 1, x equal to 0 are the angular of bisectors. Y equal to 1, x equal to 0. And the given x plus y equal to 3. What is y equal to 1 line? When we keep y as 1, what is the point here? The point here is when x is 0, y equal to 3. So here 0, 3 point, but here y equal to 1 point we are discussing. So y equal to 1 line is like this, and x equal to 0 line this. So this triangle they are discussing. Here it is, this part is 0, 1, this part is intersection of this line and intersection of this line and this point. It will be when y is 1, what is x? X is 2, 2, 1. So this is the triangle. What is the area? Half into base. What is the length here? 2. And what is the length here? It is 2. 2 will get cancelled. So the area is 2. Yes, option A is correct. This is the fourth question completed. Now fifth question. A straight line. A straight line through origin O meets the parallel lines 4x plus 2y equal to 9 and 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0 at points P and Q, respectively. Then the point O divides the segment PQ in the ratio, the given option A 1:2, option B it is 3:4, option C it is 2:1, option D it is 4:3. This question is also really interesting. There are two parallels given in this question, that is 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. Another equation it is 4x plus 2y equal to 9. How you can identify the parallel equations? That is 4x plus 2y equal to 9. If you take common 2, it will be 2x plus y equal to 9. And you can transfer here. You can see here 2x plus y, 2x plus y, and the constants are different. So it is definitely a parallel lines. So now what they are saying is straight line through origin meets the parallel lines. When you do the calculation, that is graphical calculation for the first equation, this is a line for the first equation, and it will intersect the x-axis at 9/4, 0. And there is another straight line which is 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0, and this straight line is 4x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. And if you observe, this intersect the x-axis at 0, -3. So now from origin a line is drawn and it is intersect at P and Q. At what ratio it is intersecting? This is a question. So to find the ratio, that is OQ divided by OP, I can use the term, that is it is perpendicular, and these two are parallel, so it can be transversal. This angle is equal to this angle, so I can able to understand this thing and this thing, or that is similar triangles. So I can apply OQ by OP is equal to, so I can name this as point AB. I can name OA divided by, not OA, it is OB divided by OA. I can write what is OQ by OP, the required ratio, and what is OB. OB length is 3 units and OA length is 9 by 4 units. So it will be 12 by, it will be 12 by 9. 1 second guys, 3:4. 1 second. I am going to take what they ask is that the ratio of O divides the PQ in the ratio. The O is dividing at what ratio? So I have to first find this divided by this ratio. So OQ divided by OP is equal to OA divided by OB. So OQ divided by OB is required, and what is OA? It is 9 by 4, and what is OB? It is 3. 3 by 1, it is 1 by 3. So it will be 3 by 4. So what is the ratio? The ratio is 3:4. Like this you have to solve. 5 questions completed. Now 6th question. Let A and B be non-zero real numbers, then the equation ax square plus by square plus c into x square minus 5xy plus 6y square equal to 0 represents what it is representing. If you observe carefully, x square minus 5xy plus 6y square, it is a pair of straight lines equation. X square minus 5xy plus 6y square, you can write x square minus 6xy plus xy plus 6y square. So you can take common x square here, you can take common x, you will get x minus 6y plus y common, x plus 6y. Once again, it is 6, you can write like this, minus 3xy minus 2xy, now it is correct, plus 6y square. So you have to divide, you have to divide the middle term in 2 parts. So if you take common, x minus 3y, and if you take 2 common, x minus 3y, so it will be x minus 3y into x minus 2y. These two are the 2 straight lines. So it represents the 2 straight lines, and if you observe carefully, ax square plus by square plus c, it represents a circle when a is equal to b and c sine should be opposite, c sine should be opposite of a. This complete thing is representing by these 2 lines. So 6th question is completed. Now 7th question. Now 7th question. Seventh question. Consider 3 points. The given 3 points P minus sine of beta minus alpha, comma minus cos beta, and a point Q cos of beta minus alpha, comma sine beta, and R cos of beta minus alpha plus theta, comma sine of beta minus theta, where 0 less than alpha less than beta less than theta less than pi by 4 Then option A they given P lies on line segment OP, that is QP, and option B Q lies on the line segment PR, and option C R lies on line segment QP, and option D P Q R are non-collinear. This is the thing they given. You can observe carefully, consider these 3 points. They given 3 points, and whether you have to check what are these 3 points lying, where it is lying. So you can observe carefully. These are 3 points, whether you have to check whether it is collinear or not. You can directly apply the area formula, that is delta, and you can apply the formula, that is sine of beta minus alpha. You can write these things 1 1 1 minus sine beta minus alpha cos beta minus alpha plus theta, here minus cos beta, here it is sine beta, here it is sine of beta minus theta. If you solve this delta, you will get theta is not equal to 1, that is theta is not equal to 1 and delta is not equal to 0. So if when delta is not equal to 0, what we can say, what is delta here? Delta is the area. If you solve this thing, you will definitely get the desired result. So desired result what? Theta is not equal to 1 and the delta is not equal to 0. What does theta not equal to 1 they are saying? They are saying that this theta should not be equal to 1 and the delta should not be equal to 0. What happens when delta is equal to 0? The delta equal to 0 represents the 0 area of the triangle. So when the area will be 0, when the points are collinear. So now here delta is not equal to 0. So it have some area. So PQR points are non-collinear. Like this you have to solve. 7th question is completed. Seventh question is completed. Now 8th question. The locus of the orthocenter of the triangle. The locus of the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines. They given lines. What the lines are? 1 plus p into x minus py plus p into 1 plus p is equal to 0. 1 plus q into x minus qy plus q into 1 plus q is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, and they given where p not equal to q is option A, option B, option A, option B, option C, option D. Basically you have to tell here what is the curve formed, that is a locus of the orthocenter. So what is the point here? A is hyperbola and B is parabola, C is ellipse, D is a straight line, D is a straight line. That's it. Now we are going to solve this equation. This question, what they are saying? They are asking the locus of the orthocenter of the triangle formed. So basically these lines are given, but before starting this question, these are the lines. So by solving the lines, 3 lines, you can get the 3 points. So first work is you have to find the 3 points. So for that, suppose y equal to 0. What is y equal to 0? It is the line like this. Suppose these 2 lines are like this. Suppose if you think this is this line, first line, this is first line, this is second line. It is the intersection of y equal to 0 and this line. So when y equal to 0 here, what is x? x is minus p into 1 plus p divided by 1 plus p. It will be minus p comma 0, this point. And what is this point? This is intersection of these two things. When y equal to 0, what it will be? It will be minus q comma 0. And what is this point? What is intersection of these two lines? These two lines intersection is really important. For the intersection, what we can do? We can do just by multiplying the opposite, that is reciprocals, I think. You have to solve these two equations. How we can solve? I can multiply this equation with p, this equation with q, and I can multiply this equation with p. What I will get? Q into 1 plus p into x minus pqy plus p into 1 plus p into q. And this equation here, p into 1 plus q into x minus pqy plus q into 1 plus q and into p. Why I done this? Because to solve this equation I have to make the terms opposite side. So I can cancel these two things. Now I can subtract these two things. This is q plus qp here, and here into x minus px minus pqx. So here plus pqx minus pqx will cancel, and here it is x term, that is q minus p into x is equal to, and after this also, when these two things will move to right side, what I will get? I will get p plus p square, qp plus p square q I will get, and after subtracting I have to subtract these two things, minus pq minus q square p. So these two things again gets cancelled. So finally q minus p into x is equal to p square q minus q square p, and I can take common pq. What I will get? P minus q, and again I will cancel these two things. You can see clearly. I can cancel. P minus q is present here, q minus p is present, so it will be minus. So x is minus pq, so it will be minus pq here, minus pq, and when x is minus pq, I can substitute here x is minus pq, and I can deduce the equation another, that is 1 plus p into minus pq minus py plus p into 1 plus p equal to 0. What it will be? It will be minus pq minus p square q minus py plus p square equal to 0. So what is p? From entire I can cancel this thing p. So it will be minus pq minus y plus 1 plus p equal to 0. I can change the y here to right side. Now what I will get? When I take common here, that is minus q, take common 1 plus p plus 1 plus p here. So 1 plus p into 1 minus q. These terms we got. So this is the value of y. 1 plus p into 1 minus q. So finally we got the 3 points which we wanted. What are the 3 points? Minus pq, comma 1 plus p into 1 minus q, and minus p comma 0 minus q comma 0 are the 3 points. Now the orthocenter. What is orthocenter? It is a intersection of the perpendicular of it is the intersection of altitudes, not perpendicular lines. The perpendicular bisector, it will be okay. Perpendicular bisectors intersection, it will be you can say another thing. But what is orthocenter? It will definitely be the point of intersection of altitudes. Point of intersection medians is there. Point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors is there. Point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors is circumcenter. But here it is orthocenter. Orthocenter, it will be point of intersection of altitudes. So if you find the slope here, what is slope here? 0 by, basically the slope is 0. And if slope is 0, what is the perpendicular slope? It will be infinity. So it is a good thing to do, to not do this. So I can subtract these two things. It will be minus I can subtract like this, 1 plus p into 1 minus q divided by minus pq plus q, and if I take common q, what I will get? Like this. Yes? Is this correct? Wait again, I will check. Here it is, 1 plus p into 1 minus q divided by minus pq plus q. Yes, it is correct. So this is the slope of this line. So what is the perpendicular slope? It will be pq minus q divided by 1 plus p into 1 minus q. So this is a slope. So now I can now make the point here. It will be y equal to pq minus q divided by 1 plus p into 1 minus q into x plus p. Now I can shift to the right side. What I will get? I will get 1 minus q plus p minus pq into y is equal to pqx plus p square q minus qx plus minus pq. Yes, this is a thing. Now I can combine this thing, pqx, it will be pq minus q into x. One thing is sorted, and another thing, this is the y terms here, let it be, this is the one equation, and the second equation. What is the second equation? Second equation you can get by taking another point. So after solving everything here, after solving this thing and after finding another equation, this is the homework for you guys. You can find another equation by taking these 2 points or these 2 points, any points, and another bisector, and you have to find the point of intersection, and you have to report which is the correct answer. But I am saying now only the answer is a straight line, but you have to verify it. But the process is this only you have to follow. First you have to find the three vertices, and after finding the vertices you can make them by acting as an orthocenter, and what are the orthocenter coordinates you can easily get, guys. It is very important. Now 9th question. I am making this as 10 because one question is missing here. I can give in the Telegram group, join in the Telegram group, guys. And the last question is a straight line L. A straight line L through the point 3, minus 2 is inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the line root 3x plus y equal to 1 if L also intersects the L also intersects the x-axis, then the equation of L is option A, y plus equal to 0, y minus root 3x plus 2 plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. Option C, root 3y minus x plus 3 plus 2 root 3 equal to 0. And option D, root 3y plus x minus 3 plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is very important question. Very important, guys. Please listen carefully. A straight line they given. ST is nothing but straight line. I can write here clearly. A straight line L through the point 3, 2. The straight line is passing through 3, 2. Basically, we have to find the straight line equation L. And it is passing through 3, minus 2. it is inclined at an angle 60 degree to the line. Suppose this is a given line, that is root 3x plus y equal to 1. To this line, it is inclined at the angle 60 degree. It is inclined at an angle 60 degree. So what I can do, what is the slope of this equation? It is minus root 3. This, suppose if we take this as slope m1, it will be minus root 3. And suppose the straight line, if I assume the straight line slope is m2, I am assuming the other straight line equation slope is m2. What is the difference? That is, what is the angle made? That is 60 degree. So what I can do? I can do tan 60 in between them. Tan 60 equal to slope. What it is? m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 I can do. I can make it as m2 and I can make it as m1. So it will be clear to you. What is m1? m1 only. What is m2? It will be plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3 m1. Yes guys, it is correct. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So now what I can do, I can multiply this. It is root 3 minus 3m1. 3m1 is equal to m1 plus root 3. m1 plus root 3, and it is plus or minus. It is really important. And after doing that, we can easily see it will be 2m1. If we take negative, it will be, if we take negative, it will be another way. Wait, I will see. Two cases guys here. Root 3 minus 3m1 equal to m1 plus root 3, one case. Another case, root 3 minus 3m1 equal to minus m1 minus root 3, another case. If it is this way, this is 0. But if you see in this way, it will be 2m1 equal to 2 root 3. So m1 equal to root 3. You already know the slope, that is m1 equal to root 3, and m2 is also root 3. m1 equal to root 3, and the passing point is 3 comma minus 2. So what is the equation of the straight line? Y plus 2 equal to root 3 into x minus 3. So y plus 2 equal to root 3x minus 3 root 3. So y plus 2 equal to root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to root 3x minus 3 root 3. Why? Wait guys, I will transform this. So it will be root 3x minus y. Y terms are all positive, so I have to make y positive only. Y minus root 3x plus 2 plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. So y minus root 3x. Y minus root 3x, yes, plus 2 plus 3 root 3, it is 0. Option B is correct. So like this guys, the top 10 questions are completed in the straight lines and pair of straight lines chapter. So it is really important to do this type of sessions. So if you have any doubts, you can comment down in the comment box. And also if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Instagram handle also. And if you didn't join the Telegram group, join the Telegram group, because I am sharing the important information about the JEE Mains and JEE Advanced in the Telegram channel as well as in the channel. So you can subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon. If you enjoy this video, like hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. And all the best for your exams guys. Thank you.